ugly. See? Look, I mean, it's just, he looks evil.
Allie, you're a fail. You fail at life just because you said that.
What? I didn't know. The TV is on now. What? Just kidding, the TV is on.
Dance, 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 dance. You won't kind of back up. Okay. Go.
Okay.
Go. It's been going forever.
Oh.
No, Olivia, just jump in and start dancing. Just go ahead. Funny.
Really immature. Like Kyle's.
Earthquake!
This is the noise.
Loser.
I am. Well, maybe.
Earthquake! Volcano!
Since I played that one and I've forgotten to.
Look at everyone. Yeah, and we're on our way into the Beaver movie right now, and
Fever.
I'm really kind of scared right now because
Tell the bead feed.
supposed to be really, like, good, and so people are starting to walk in there, and it looks really full, so we're going to go in there. There's the Lakeville Theater.
Okay.
Oh, can you push it all the way down?
Where Grace is about to start her first time driving.
Rose,
Do not.
we're not filming.